and welcome to CalTrap. In this session, we'll be working with the Supervisor desktop version of CalTrap, which allows supervisors to configure and maintain data for their county. We'll start by signing in. Use your username and password assigned to you, and click Sign In or just hit Enter. In this version, supervisors can work with user assignments, user accounts, creating surveys, creating routes, managing quints, working with hosts and sites, and some reporting. We'll start by taking a look in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Here you'll see the sign out function, which you'll use when you're ready to end your session. To give yourself a little more map space, you can turn tool labels off by clicking here and back on as needed. You can also get a little more map space by hiding the toolbar and clicking here. Click on it again to redisplay the toolbar. Moving around the screen, you'll see the icons in the bottom left, which will allow you to display your Latin long anywhere on the map. Notice that the Latin long coordinates change as you move around on the map. Looking at the functions available to you, under the Survey tab, you're able to create surveys, create and manage routes, merge quints, manage hosts, and sites. Under the Assignment tab, you can assign routes, assign employees to motor pool, manage missed work, and manage the inactivity log. Under Navigation, there are some navigation functions available to you, and some reporting. All of these tabs will be covered in a separate video. For now, let's take a look at the data layers. Each of these rows is a separate data layer available to you. We're going to work with the Stations layer, which is indicated in the dark red. We're going to turn the layer off by checking this box and turning it back on. We can also make the layer more transparent by sliding across and then making the layer more opaque by sliding back. This helps when your map display is very cluttered and you want some layers to be less visible than others. As you're used to in working with maps, you can use the plus and minus functions to zoom in and zoom out as needed. You can also use the scroll wheel on your mouse. As we zoom in, you'll start to see more definition and more data layers available. Here you can see the grids, and you can see the colors of the routes that have been defined. Routes are also covered in another video. Zooming in, you can now see grid numbers. And again, at a new zoom level, you can see merged quints. We'll continue to zoom in. Here you can see a trap that has been placed. Continuing on. You can now see the sites indicated in yellow for a property and the hosts that are available for trapping. The different colored hosts indicate different types of trees. You can also see the dog data layer, which indicates that a dog is on the premises. And that wraps up our basics for CalTrap Supervisor Desktop version. For more resources on this version, go to caltrap-info.com, where you can view additional videos and download user guides. Thanks for watching.